Welcome, Sweetwater educators. This tutorial is all about mastering Gemini modes and Nano Banana for maximum efficiency in the classroom. We use Gemini as our personal teaching assistant, but choosing the right mode is the key to reclaiming your prep time. Just like we pick different tools for different lessons, Gemini offers 3 speeds: fast, thinking, and pro. You need to match the mode to your instructional task, whether you're writing or creating images with Nano Banana, to ensure you get the best output. Matching the mode ensures you get the best output without hitting your daily limits. Let's dive in. First is fast mode, or the sprinter. This is your daily driver for tasks that don't need deep reasoning. Use fast mode for quick tasks like drafting a parent email or generating a quick vocab list. When using Nano Banana for images, fast mode acts as the direct artist. It skips the thinking phase to generate simple visuals instantly. Best of all, for our standard district tasks, fast mode is practically unlimited. Next is thinking mode, the strategist. When you toggle this on, Gemini pauses to talk to itself and check its logic before responding. This is your go-to for complex instructional puzzles like designing a 5-day project-based unit, rubric, or modifications. For visuals, this mode turns Nano Banana into a creative director. It maps out the logic of the scene to ensure spatial relationships are correct. This is the best mode for complex scenes, diagrams, and infographics because it drastically reduces AI hallucinations. Thinking mode is a stricter tier. You typically have a quota of 10 to 20 prompts per day in this mode. Finally, we have Pro mode, the heavy lifter. This mode is powered by Gemini 3.1 Pro. Pro mode is best for analyzing huge data sets or drafting high-stakes, nuanced writing like de-escalating tenuous parent communications. In Nano Banana, Pro mode is your high-fidelity specialist. It delivers the best aesthetic polish for lighting and textures. Great for professional-grade assets. This is our strictest tier, resetting at midnight with a quota of 5 to 10 prompts per day. Let's recap the main takeaways to help you decide which Gemini mode to use. Use fast for admin tasks, thinking for logic-heavy planning and diagrams, and Pro for deep data and high-end polish. Check the description for a Gemini mode cheat sheet.